I will make a short presentation of the sextant. The purpose of the sextant is to measure an angle between a celestial body, like the sun, a planet or a star, and the horizon. This is how it works. I hold the sextant by the frame. There are two mirrors. The index mirror that turns with the arm index, and the horizon mirror, which is part see-through and part mirror. When I shoot a star, the image of the celestial body reflects on the index mirror onto the part mirror and back through the telescope, so that in the telescope I see both the horizon and the celestial body. Then I read the angle between the celestial body and the horizon on the scale. And that's all. In the next video, I will teach you how to measure the index error of the sextant.